Hey guys, Ben here with Diesel Power Products. Today we are talking about this PPE downpipe L5P Duramax engines. Now this is going to be made by PPE, stands for Pacific Performance Engineering, and they have a reputation for making very nice products that fix known problems with factory engines, and this is going to be one of them. The stock downpipe on that L5P has some creases, some bends, kind of chokes down, isn't really doing you any favors, because at the end of the day, a diesel engine is an air pump. You got to get air in and get air out. The better and faster you get air in and the better and faster you get that air out, the better your truck is going to perform in all aspects. So getting that air out, PPE takes care of that. You're going to have the turbo mounting flange here with the gasket. Got a nice heat wrap on there to make sure the exhaust heat stays with the exhaust and not in your cab. You've also got this 4-bolt mounting flange to connect to the factory DOC. That's right, this is an emissions intact part. That means you're not going to run into any sort of issues, any kind of red flags, or doesn't pass this, doesn't do that. Everything can be 100% stock on the truck. You can put this on and still see improvements. If you have any questions on this or you're not sure if you want to run this on the truck, give us a call. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. We've also got other ways to get a hold of us. You can do the chat feature on the website, social medias, or emails, send a smoke signal, whatever you want. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.